Hello YouTube, this is Carl, that BMX guy. This is part 4 on the computer build for 2022. I'm coming pretty close to get to the end, but we have finally had a Black Friday deal that was actually worth it. And I was originally planning to do an Intel, but what happens is that Intel processors are pretty damn expensive. And so are the motherboards. DDR5 Micro ATX. If I want an Asus board, I have to have an Asus board that's $400. So we went and we got an AMD Ryzen 9 7900X. So it doesn't have a heatsink, so I gotta get that still. But I'm still going to use a Noctua. I think that's how you pronounce that. It looks basically just like my Thermalright, just with brown fans versus orange. So that should be more than fine for this. I'm not going to overclock or anything, so I don't need anything more. But yeah, I got this guy, and this is ready. Hopefully it works. Well, the thing is, like, you keep stuff, you know, unused for too long, it might not be returnable if it doesn't decide to work when I put it together. But the processor and motherboard should work. The motherboard I'm planning to get actually is another Asus, but it's going to be a Prime, like an A520, something like that. But yeah, this is moving along. It was $100 off, and that's for 12 cores and 24 threads versus like 8 cores and 16 threads. And this guy also goes to 5.6 max boost, which is kind of crazy hot sounding, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, we're moving along on this whole setup, so sooner or later I'll start cutting up the case and get that motherboard in there. I kind of prefer to get the motherboard first, so we'll work with that maybe in 2 weeks. I'm going to try to get everything for the system before the end of the new year. So anyway, that's Carl, that BMX guy, and thanks for watching.